Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Today I'm making y'all the best fried rice ever. This is my version, but I have been trying to like twerk it and get it how I wanted it for probably a couple years. Could never find it to make it where it's just as good as a Chinese restaurant or anything like that. Now I found it and it is totally amazing, and I wanted to share it with y'all so maybe y'all would give it a try also. I just got my Blackstone griddle. My husband bought it for me about 2 weeks ago. You do not have to cook it on here. You could cook it in the house, in a wok, in a big electric skillet. However you want to do it, it still turns out just as good. But since I got this, because I wanted one for so long and got one finally, I love cooking on it every day. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, back here I have just some sauces, stuff that I need to use to cook with this. Shrimp. This shrimp was already deveined, peeled, cooked, ready to go. This chicken is chicken breast, actually left over from last night. I made chicken subs and I made a whole bunch, so this is left over. It's already got teriyaki sauce on it and everything, so I'm going to use this. I got bean sprouts. This is the rice that I use to make my best fried rice, and this is a teriyaki sauce. This is the brand that I used. Amazing. And then I got mushrooms and sugar snap peas, and here's my rice. It's all done, and yes, it's a whole bunch, but we can eat on it for lunch. My husband could take some to work, so hey, it's all good. But all right, we're gonna get started. I'm so excited. This is just a little bit of vegetable oil just to heat up this chicken. Sugar snap peas. Soy sauce. A little bit of, oh, that was teriyaki, I'm sorry. This is soy sauce. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit of, just a little bit more on here. It's going to hurt it. Add a little bit of water to this chicken, just so it has a little bit of moisture in it. Like I said, the chicken's already done, so I'm just going to like just let it heat up, and then I'm going to take it back off. We'll be ready here in just a couple minutes. Chicken's good, so I'm going to take it off, put it back in here until I mix everything together. All right, now chicken's off. I'm going to put on the mushrooms. Then I'm going to add some teriyaki and some soy sauce. Oh, it smells good. It's going to cook a little bit. That piece coming off. Now some bean sprouts. mushrooms are just about ready. I am going to break them down though, some big ones. It has some big mushrooms in there. These ain't going to take but a minute. Heat them up, take them off. Alright, these mushrooms are ready. I'm get a thing to get them. These are about ready. Just clear it off so I can get my rice in there. Alright, for the rice. Dump this on here. Wow, that's a lot of rice. Teriyaki, soy sauce, add some more. This is a lot of rice. A bit more soy sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Kind of keep the moisture in it. Okay, I tasted it. To me, it could use a little bit more, so I'm going to add a little bit more here. This is a lot of rice. So I think I ended up making 4 boxes of that rice, and they were all family size boxes. So adding everything. I'm going to add the chicken, shrimp, snap peas, you know. Mix these up first. I'm going to have to make 2 piles once I get these mixed, because everybody does not like mushrooms and bean sprouts. So I will have to make 2 separate sides. And I'm definitely putting bean sprouts and mushrooms in mine. Let this go just a few minutes. Wow, that is a mound. Oh, it looks so good. Might as well add the rest of this teriyaki, if I got it all mixed. Maybe a splash more of soy. And maybe get some salt. Okay, now we're going to add in bean sprouts and the mushrooms to this side. Oh wow, look at that. Simple to make. Like I said, you ain't got to be out here doing it. You do it in the house. I was so happy when I found out the ingredients that I was missing to make it my own, and totally delicious. Now I chose the bean sprouts and the snap peas and the mushrooms and stuff like that. You could put whatever you want. You could put steak if you want. I just had chicken and shrimp, and I love shrimp and chicken, so that's what I went with this time. But I also like it with steak and stuff also. So make it your own. This is an amazing recipe. Please give it a try. That's all I can say. I've got some little green onions. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit on there, on both of them. Okay. Alrighty. It's all done. Looks amazing. I'm gonna give it a try. Mmm. Delicious. Hot. Mm-hmm. Very hot though. I should have blew it off a little bit more. Amazing. Please give it a try. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.